All right, today we're gonna actually bring a lamp, a beautiful design lamp, a crystal lighting. If you guys can see, they give you the LED bulb. They give you pretty much everything that you need, require, including the actual cover itself. It's a clicking light. It's pretty much you turn it off and on with a click of a button. Beautiful little lamp, all crystallized, chrome color, padding in the bottom. Beautiful padding in the bottom, smooth padding itself. It has for clicking on and off the light, easy to set up. And also another thing is that, it comes with the light bulb too. Just to let you guys know, you can control the colors on the actual lamp. Not just it just looks beautiful, but also you can control every single lighting. So you could change the mood. You could change it from blue to green to red. And we're going to put that to a test too. But first, we're going to assemble the whole lamp. All right, let's assemble the actual lamp. And this is the cover itself, all right? So the first layer, it does have some clips. If you guys can see the first layer, it's going to actually have this loop, the first one on the top, all right? It's the other one. And make sure it's nice and tight too, because you don't want to loosen it up too much. You want to make sure it meets it, right? And very easy to ship and it won't get damaged. And you could also take it off to clean it up. So that's another thing you could do. That's a plus thing. Before setting up, you got to remove the top, all right? That's important. The top has to be removed. All right, very important. On the box and in the instructions, it tells you to take a picture of this so it can actually, it's a barcode to take you to the actual application you're going to require for that. Bring your camera, make sure your camera looks at it. And there it is. It found the application. You go into the application. And then it asks you what system do you have? Right now we have a Droid, so we're going to do the Droid. Right now we're going to go to Google Store. We're going to download the application. It says eControl Home. If you guys can see that, we're going to install it. And then follow the directions and we'll start controlling the actual system. So let's go ahead and set that up. So let's go ahead and back in the room so we can turn it off. If you want the light bulb off, on, done. We go into the light bulb itself. Now we have functions to do all sorts of things in here. So we're going to change the color and it's going to turn like kind of like a reddish, bluish, purplish. Then we could go green, click on the green. It changes green. You guys can see that. We could change it blue, completely blue, yellow. Of course, there's also effects that you can go on. And sleep mode, it just dims down the light and it changes into different morning mode. It changes modes, reading mode, work mode, and then relax mode. And of course, there's hundreds of different settings that you can set up. Look at the crystal ones. It's beautiful. It matches your actual fan up here with the actual crystals. If you're a designer, this is probably something you want to do for your home.